Hello everyone, I'm Isher. Today we will present our outcome of MCP1 report. First of all, I want to introduce my teammates. They are Xinling Yu, Jie Wang, and Zhijie Pan. Then before my mates start the recommendations report, I will briefly talk about the problems in the case. The major problem faced by UCIL and the UCC, which focus on external environment, involves technical obstacles and legal burdens which have contributed to serious operational and ethical challenges.
Our first recommendation is a comprehensive safety maintenance monitoring program. This program addresses the critical nemesis in safety protocols, maintenance, and oversight that led to the Bhopal disaster. It includes regular system checks, mandatory audits, and advanced technology to prevent equipment failures and gas leaks. The program has three core components: regular maintenance of critical systems to prevent malfunctions, mandatory monthly safety audits to ensure compliance, proactive measures like leak detection system to prevent failures. These steps mirror global best practice enacted at Bhopal, where cost-cutting led to disable safety systems like the MIC refrigeration unit. Here's how we'll execute this. Hire certified safety engineers to oversee bi-weekly system checks. Digitize maintenance logs for transparency, addressing Bhopal's falsified records. Add those CSP standards to ensure expertise. For example, Bhopal's substandard storage tanks and corroded pipes highlight the need for rigorous checks. Accountability is key. Responsibility include UCIL and UCC engineers to perform maintenance. Government inspectors to verify compliance, addressing Bhopal's regulatory failures. Independent auditors to review reports, ensuring no cover-ups like those post-disaster.
We propose an immediate rollout in high-risk plans, starting with Bhopal and quarterly reviews over the next 2 years. These are the facilities where the risk is highest, and waiting is not an option. To ensure faster detection and response, we're introducing on-site inspection alongside centralized monitoring hubs. These hubs will track real-time data, something Bhopal lacked entirely, leading to deadly delays in response. Investments will go into trained personnel, technicians and safety auditors, as well as modern technology, including sensors and monitoring software. We're also allocating funds for proper staff training, especially in handling hazardous chemicals like MIC. In Bhopal, workers won't train at all. That's unacceptable. Yes, these steps are costly, but they are nowhere near the financial and human cost of failure, like the $470 million settlement and thousands of lives lost in Bhopal. We recognize the challenges: high upfront cost, internal resistance, bureaucratic delays, but these are manageable. A phased rollout will ease financial pressure, and by partnering with government agencies, we can accelerate regulatory approvals, avoiding the kind of obstruction and invasion that characterize Union Carbide response in India. Beyond systems and spending ethic matters, that's why we recommend from an independent CSR oversight committee. After the disaster, Union Carbide offered no medical care, no long-term aid, no accountability. Committees were left abandoned. This committee will fill that gap. It will monitor ethical and social impacts, keep companies accountable, and give kept committees a voice, instead of corporate silence and blame shifting. There will be transparency and ongoing dialogue. If Bhopal had systems like this in place, technical and ethical, its story might have been very different.
Steps include including NGOs, academics, and locals in decision-making, holding quarterly public hearing to voice concerns, unlike ballpark silence workers, publishing impact reports for transparency, and responsible parties and regulations. The key rules for it is CSR experts to lead evaluation, community leaders to advocate for victims, legal advisor to ensure compliance with laws like the Ballpark Crimes Act of 1985, which UCC circumvented, and timeline and location. Launch in 6 months with annual reviews. Hybrid operation like local offices and virtual meeting. Ensure accessibility for marginalized communities, unlike UCC's remote management. And the cost covered administrative staff and outreach, like multilingual survey for BOPA diverse victims, reporting tools to track progress absent in UCC response. And the potential problem is the challenges like company resistance and low engagement mirror BOPA failure. And the solution for it is tax incentives for participation, multilingual outreach to include all affected, unlike UCC's exclusion of non-English speakers.